Hello friends and welcome to Leo English Hub lecture number 31, and before we move ahead I would like to request you to subscribe our channel and also share to other of your friends and family, those who want to learn effective grammar and spoken English skills. Let's move ahead guys, and in today's lecture we are going to cover a few requests that I have received through email, uh, and it is based on the possible topics to practice speaking or writing. So here I am going to give you some possible topics on which you can practice. So the concern of the email writers, those who complained me or requested me, I would say that they don't get ideas that on which topics they can practice writing and speaking, because we cover one or two couple of topics in our lectures and then we move ahead to the next tense, but they raised a concern that they are struggling in generating new ideas, and they don't have much knowledge about on which topics. But I would like to tell them that they can I have also written them in the email. I have covered those things as well, and I'm telling you guys also that you can practice speaking and writing on any topic of any background, whether you are a working person, whether you are a student or a social worker, whoever you are, you can practice anything, whatever you want to speak, whatever you are communicating, and whatever chit chat you do during the day, you can try and speak in English using the grammatical topics that we have learned until now, and try to add variety in it, and start speaking, so that you can learn things and start using the grammatical topics, so that you can strengthen your, in case of your speaking is good but you struggle in grammar topics, then you should apply more and more varieties in grammar. You can apply, and we have learned all these things in our earlier lectures, so you can refer those lectures, that how varieties can be added, and also how you can practice the grammar in your day-to-day life. So here we have, if we consider simple present tense, we have learned until now two tenses, simple present tense and simple past tense. So if we consider simple present tense, then this screen gives you the possible topics which covers simple present tense only. So using simple present tense, you can make topics, you can speak on these, you can make as many sentences as possible on your own. You don't need to take help of technology like Google Translate or Google, you search in Google. No, don't do that. Don't seek others help too. You try, it will take some time and it will be a bit boring as well. I accept that, but that's the way you can learn effective grammar, and you can apply the grammar that you have learned on our channel. So that is the only way that you can improve your grammar, and if you can use that grammar over here, you can strengthen your knowledge of grammar more and more. So here are the topics, you can note down them into your notebook and try to practice as many as sentences in those short notes or essays or kind of issues, kind of topics you make. So how do you celebrate your favorite festival? You can take any festival, or you can take all the festival for practicing writing and speaking. If you are good in applying grammar easily, you can straight away speak in English. If you are not good at it, then you can write first of all and then try to speak, so that you have a proof in written that what mistakes you make and what difficulties you are facing. So I'm moving ahead to the next screen. Don't skip the video, very important information is flowing through. So let's move on to the next screen, and there are more possible topics to practice, and these are based on simple past tense. So here we have the whole list. These are the only few topics that I am covering. As I said earlier, you can practice grammar while speaking on any issue, on any topic, any natural communication that you make on in your day-to-day life. That is more important, that you should be able to apply the grammar knowledge in all the situations, in all the kinds of sentences, on all the platforms as well, whether you are in school, college, or at workplace, or at a social gathering as well. So that is the motive, that you try and practice on any topic. These are only few topics that I am going to give you, but there are many more than these. So I hope guys these topics will help you to speak and apply the grammar that you have learned it in on our channel. And I hope this information will be very helpful to you, and more information, more important information will be catered in our coming lectures. So subscribe our channel, don't forget to subscribe it, and like and comment on our videos and our lectures. If you have any concerns, any queries, you can raise it by commenting in comment section. And I would like to request you to share our channel so that those like-minded people can learn step by step English grammar and English speaking skills. Thank you very much guys for joining us today. Thank you.